There have been questions as to why UST was depegged from the dollar and whether there are any criminal actions at play in the Luna crash. Today's video aims to answer these questions and also address other related concerns, showing you all the timeline. Elegant ladies and noble gentlemen, I welcome you to LN Crypto. LN Crypto is the place where you can get the latest crypto and DeFi news, analysis and insights. On this channel, I also make videos to help you discover the best projects on time so you can make huge gains for yourself. If these are the kind of topics that excite you, do what to like and subscribe. And also pin that bell notification so you don't miss out whenever I drop new videos. So without further ado, let's get to what we have for today. Luna, which is used to stabilize the price of its protocol stablecoin known as UST, has crashed more than 99% in the last few days, even as the Luna Foundation Guard bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to bolster the reserves of its stablecoin UST. The free fall began days after the Luna Foundation Guard reached their $3 billion worth of Bitcoin reserve target, bringing their total Bitcoin holdings to stand at over 80,000 units of Bitcoin. There were massive withdrawals from Pool 53 on the Anchor protocol. It's also quite telling that this happened during a time of low market liquidity, which eventually had a devastating effect on the UST peg to the dollar. This led to a sharp fall in the price of UST, which gave birth to the fears that the Luna Foundation Guard would have to sell some of its Bitcoin holdings to maintain the peg. Market conditions worsened as Luna and Bitcoin, which are assets that are backing the UST, began to fall. Although the arbitrage mechanism was working, but the arbitrageurs were dumping newly redeemed Luna into the market, which of course was further driving down the price. The more UST diverges from the $1 mark, the more the redemption. This circular wheel of redemption and the Fed's newly released financial stability report, which specifically had a session that talked about the risks of bank runs on stablecoins, further drove down the price of UST below 50 cents. So in conclusion, what we have could be said to be an orchestrated event in which some market participants knew that the Luna Foundation Guard has reached its $3 billion Bitcoin reserve target, and in low market liquidity conditions, they decided to dump the UST. Maybe they knew that the selling pressure of the Luna Foundation Guard would drive down the price of Bitcoin. Perhaps they had huge short positions on Bitcoin. Right now, the battle to regain the peg continues. There's a lot that is likely to unfold in the crypto markets over the coming days. I will of course keep you updated as frequently as I can. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. Do what to like and subscribe, and also pin that bell notification so you don't miss out whenever I drop new videos. Do what to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd like to know your thoughts and opinions over the recent Luna crash. Thank you for sticking around. See you in the next video.